guess what? I went to Target. I went to Target every Monday like I always do, but I had an awesome haul. I went crazy with this beauty deal that they're having, and it ended up becoming a money maker for me. So I'm here to show you guys some deals that I got. I'm hoping a lot of you guys are finishing level 3 and 4. We are close, you know, we're already, like, technically it's a little bit over the middle of the month, and I finished level 4 with this transaction. I'm hoping a lot of you guys have. A lot of you guys have been telling me that you finally finished, like, certain levels that you've never done before. So I always try to make it a goal so you guys can hit level 4 every month. I've been hitting level 4, I think 5 or 6 months in a row, which is awesome. But I'm here to share you guys the deals that I got at Target, and let's go. Now, I have 2 Targets. It's really sad, but I have 2 Targets. They're like 5 minutes from each other, literally 5 minutes from each other. And I went to one Target because I was going to the Dollar Tree in that area. And I wanted to get the women's razors, and they didn't have them. They're completely out. I'm like, okay, I'll go to the other Target because it's on my way. So I'm like, I'll just go there. And they were completely out. So I had to come up with a different scenario. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, I ended up getting the Suja juice because why not? Now, a lot of you guys have Ibotta rebates left for this. I don't. I've used mine up. They usually reset about 5 times. So usually you can do these deals about 5 times. So this was $3.49. There is a 40% off deal on Cartwheel. Plus you guys want to use a $1 off coupon off the Suja website. Now, I tried searching for that coupon this morning. I could not find it. It still might be on there. It's on mambosprouts.com. I was able to print a bunch ahead of time because I knew this coupon would disappear. So if that ever happens, if you guys can print multiple, you guys usually can print a bunch of these. So after that coupon, this just becomes $1.09. And not the greatest deal, but you know what? I wanted to share with you guys that in case you had that deal for Ibotta. Then I ended up getting the Suja kombucha. This was $2.99. There is a 35% deal on Cartwheel. Plus, you guys also can use that $1 off coupon from mambosprouts.com. You guys would just get this for 94 cents. But then I have a deal for a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 69 cents, which is a great, great deal. And my husband, he's been having his like friends come over, and they all been tasting the new juices and stuff. So more power to them. I ended up doing 2 different deals. I ended up getting the Chic men's razors. Now these were $5.99, okay? Then I also got, I ended up getting these CoverGirl eyebrow pencils. So these were $3.99. I used a 6 off of 2 coupon from coupons.com. For the Chic razors, I used that 2 of the $3 off coupons that you guys would get your inserts, or you guys can use these from coupons.com. And then I also got the Aussie shampoo, and I was going to get the conditioner, but they were sold out, so I just got 2 shampoos. So these are $2.99. You guys want to use that $2 off of 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. So with all 6 items, it came to $25.94. After coupons, it came to $11.94. I got a $5 gift card for the razors, and then I got that $5 gift card for that spend $20, you get a $5 gift card. Plus, you can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta times 2 for the Aussie, and then a $1 rebate times 2 for the Chic razors. So that little scenario came to $2.06 moneymaker. All 6 items absolutely for free. I was really excited about that, and it kind of made up for my other transactions. Now I did do 3 transactions. The next scenario I did was these Chic Hydro Silk Razors. Now these were $8.99. They are buy two, you get a $5 gift card. My store was completely sold out of the women's $5.99 razors, so I'm like, okay, let's see what I can do. So these were, again, $5.99, and I used two $3 off coupons for these. And then I also bought, I don't know, these are $8.99. I don't know if I said $5.99. And then this mascara was $5.69. There's a 20% off deal on Cartwheel. Plus, you guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we got from like the 3-4 Red Plum. You guys would end up paying $13.50 after coupons, but then you guys receive a $5 gift card for the two razors, plus you guys also receive a $5 gift card for spending $20 on personal care items. So everything comes out to be $3.50, but then you can submit a $1 rebate times 2 on Ibotta, which makes this $1.50 for 3 items, which is a pretty great deal. I mean, that's 50 cents a piece. You can't go wrong with that. Then the third scenario I did was the Sally Hansen nail polish. Now, there is an Ibotta deal for step 1. So that's just your regular colors, and then there's also an Ibotta deal for the top coat. So I wanted to try to get as many deals as I could. So these are, sorry, my piece of paper's like all over the place. These are $7.49. You guys want to use 20% off Cartwheel. Plus you guys want to use 3 $1 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would end up paying $14.97 for these 3. It's kind of expensive for nail polish, I understand. But then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, so you get $3 for this one, you get $3 for this one, and then you get $3 for this one. Now this is a different rebate than these two, so definitely do that deal. And then you also get that spend 20, you get a $5 gift card. I had them scan that coupon first. So everything came out to be, after the rebates, after the gift card factored in, it came to 97 cents. That's 32 cents an item for nail polish. That is a great, great, great deal. If you guys really want to stock up on nail polish, go for it. If my Ibotta resets for Sally Hansen, I'm probably going to do this deal again. And the reason is because it's really good name brand nail polish and people go nuts over it. I mean, why not? Why not? So those were the 3 scenarios that I did. I also got the Sour Punch straws. Now these were just $1. The Cartwheel no longer is good for this, like I got last week. So you guys would pay $1 for this, but then you can submit a 55-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 45 cents. I did. And the red vines, I got these. These are $1. You guys would pay $1, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making these just 50 cents, which you can't go wrong for 45 cents and 50 cents for candy. Yeah. I ended up getting the Suave Kids shampoo. This is strawberry, which I'm actually really loving. I always get the same kind, but if I get more of these coupons, I have to get more of these coupons soon. But when I get more of these coupons, I'm definitely going to stock up on kids shampoo. That's one thing I don't have a lot of. But this was $1.88. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper in the Red Plum, making this just 88 cents, which you cannot go wrong with kids shampoo. Now, the next deal I went crazy over is the Great Grains cereal. I was like sitting in bed last night and I was just like looking and I'm like, ooh, there's this, and I'm like, I'm gonna see if there's a coupon for this. So I go to this website, it's Lazo.com, and if you guys are looking for a specific coupon, you type in what the brand is or the product, and it'll take you to a website. It'll take you to that website that has those coupons. So that's how I found like the Suja drinks and everything. So I will try to remember to post or to put the coupon for this in the description below, but if I don't, just comment and I'll remember to do it. So the Great Grains cereal by Post, these are $3.29. Okay, there is a 25% rebate or a 25% deal on Cartwheel. Plus, I found those $1 off of 2 coupons that we off the one website. Like I said, I just searched for it and I found it. So I got 4 different flavors. I got the banana nut crunch, the crunchy pecan, the cranberry almond crunch, and the raisins, dates, and pecan. So I got all 4 of those. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to buy 2 of them or 4 of them, whatever you guys choose. But these are you want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon. You guys will end up paying $3.93 for 2 of these, but then you can submit a $1 rebate. Now these are all individual rebates. So right there's 4 rebates just by doing this deal. So you get a $1 rebate for this one, a $1 rebate for this one, and then the banana one. So that's 4 separate different Ibotta rebates that you guys can do. So every 2 boxes end up being a $1.93 or just 96 cents, which I think is a great deal for cereal. So definitely do that deal. My husband's starting to really like this stuff, so I got it for him. And you can't go wrong with 93 cents box of cereal. So that was my Target haul. I think I did pretty good. I got, you know, some cereal, which we always like. I got some personal care stuff, and I got some junk food, like always. But my grand total, if you add up all 3 transactions that I did, came to $53.19. That's crazy. $53.19 for that. I would never pay that much. Well, I technically did, but I didn't. I ended up getting $25 back in gift cards. The 3 were for the 3 beauty scenarios, and then the 2 were from the 2 razors. So $25, and what I ended up doing is I rolled them. A lot of you guys say your stores won't let you do that. If they don't, leave the store and come back and go to a different cashier. You could just do that or do self-checkouts or something, whatever you guys want to do. So that's what I do if I ever have a problem, but I usually never do. I ended up getting $26.30 back with Ibotta. That's crazy, $26.30. I hit level 4, plus there was a bonus, so I got $2 for level 4, and then that bonus I got $3 back. So that was a $5 bonus thing I got, but if you guys add everything together, it came to a $3.11 moneymaker. $3.11 moneymakers. I got everything for free. I love it. I love hearing that word. A lot of you guys love hearing that word, and I'm pretty excited to get some stuff that I really enjoy using. Like, I'm super excited for the Sally Hansen nail polish. Like, that's just a great deal. So if that resets, I probably might do another haul for Target. A lot of you guys enjoyed my second haul that I did. Another thing is those Mentos. They are $3.99. I think the 50% Cartwheel deal is still going on. It's $3.99 on sale. And then you guys get that $1.50 on Checkout 51. If my Checkout 51 resets the Mentos again on Thursday, I'm going back to do that deal because cha-cha-cha, it's awesome. But if you guys enjoyed my Target haul, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so you guys can watch more Target scenarios and hauls and all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!